What's up, tribe? Nick here from Ottawa, and in today's awareness video we're going to talk about pain. And pain is a really important topic from the standpoint of awareness, because most people in the world today, in the Western world especially, view pain as something that's the enemy. Right? We literally have drugs called painkillers that are there to kill pain. And most of our medical system looks at pain as something to be managed or something to be kind of hidden but not actually resolved, right? The term palliative, I used to think applied to end-of-life care for terminal cancer patients, but when you really look up what palliative means, it really means treating symptoms without addressing the cause. And I think most of the way that we deal with problems or injuries is palliative. We focus on getting rid of the pain, but we don't focus on getting rid of why the pain is there. So let's start by talking about what pain is. Pain is a signal that your body's adapted over many, many years in order to protect you, right? It's kind of like a fire alarm in your home or check engine light in your car. It's a warning signal that's there in order to remind you that something needs to change, right? It's there to protect you. And so if you view pain as a protective signal, it really changes the mindset when it comes to getting rid of pain. Because it's not about just getting rid of the pain, it's about getting rid of why the pain is there. So pain is protective. It's a powerful teacher. It's also a very powerful feedback tool, right? If something hurts, if you have an injury and you're getting pain, what you're doing to resolve that injury, the feedback that you get is whether or not that pain is getting worse or whether it's resolving. And so that feedback is very important to guide you along to the right path to getting rid of that injury permanently. Okay? Pain isn't something to be hidden, right? If your fire alarm went off in your home, you wouldn't ignore it, you'd pay attention to it, and you'd try and get rid of the fire. You wouldn't just take the batteries out of the fire detector. And I think when it comes to drugs like Advil, Tylenol, drugs that we take to cover pain up, it actually takes away that very important signal and takes away our form of feedback to guide us as to which path we should be following. So when it comes to awareness, understanding that pain is a protective signal that we need to look at as a teacher to tell us what we should or shouldn't be doing, and that applies to whether or not you're trying to recover from an injury or whether you're training for some sort of event or some sort of sport. Right? If you start getting pain, it's a really good indicator that you're doing too much too soon, or you have to change how you're doing that activity, how you're moving. And look at pain as a really important teacher that it is, and just change your mindset. If you get pain, instead of first thinking, what can I do to get rid of this pain, think, what am I doing to create this pain, and how can I look into getting rid of the cause of why this pain is being developed. So listen to pain. It's a powerful teacher. Hopefully that little awareness piece helps you reconnect with a good relationship with pain, instead of having a relationship where we're trying to constantly get rid of it. Reconnect with it, learn from it, use it as feedback, and that can be a really powerful tool to use in your training or to getting rid of an injury.